Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Al Lucchino, owner of Harley-Davidson of Danbury. I'm going to do a walk around and review on this 2026 Brilliant Red Fat Boy. Now, if you're watching this as a Facebook Reel, which is limited to 60 seconds, I'm going to post a link to the full-length review in the comments section so you can see it there if you want to watch the whole review. Now, this 2026 Fat Boy comes in Brilliant Red, got an updated chrome-plated or cloisonne style emblem on it. Looks very good. A little pinstriping, breaks up the tank, got a 5-gallon fuel tank, plenty of cruising range. Now, the Fat Boy has this very muscular steamroller stance. We've got big forks, widely spaced, with a big tire in the front, but in the back, we've got the 240 millimeter super wide back tire, a little more of abbreviated fender than we've had on a Fat Boy in years past. In years past, they used to go all the way down. You get to see more of that fat tire with the shortened, or I'll call it a bobbed rear fender. Now, Fat Boy also has some really nice features here. We've got the updated monoshock chassis, and that gives you an emulsion shock in the back and dual bending fork valve, meaning cartridge style fork technology, better bump absorption on both ends. Now, an emulsion shock means the nitrogen, any oil in the shock is pre-mixed. It can't foam. So the oil in the shock is basically pre-foamed for smooth, consistent damping no matter what the temperature. Now, the heart and soul of this beast is a 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 V-twin, 45 degree V-twin. It looks, and it's the style and sound that we like. It's an oil and air cooled engine with a nice big oil cooler between the frame rails. Stock configuration, 103 horsepower, 126 foot-pounds of torque is how this is rated. So lots of power, but there's lots more for the taking. In our DynoJet 250i dynamometer, the hot setup is a D&D exhaust with a Thundermax ECM and a Redshift 528 cam. Now that you've got these new Generation 2 heads, we can put the 528 lift cam. It really responds, it really performs. That would be the hot setup here for this motorcycle. Comes with a 6-speed transmission. So you got a gear for every situation. Local cruising, secondary roads, 5th and 6th for the highway. Works out really well. It's got a belt drive, so it's quiet, clean, virtually maintenance-free. Now, this 2026 Fat Boy has an updated electronic suite. So we've got ABS and traction control, and we've got drag, torque, slip clutch, what I call a sprag clutch. If you miss a downshift and you don't blip the throttle, the clutch slips and you're going to get a smooth downshift every time. So traction control, anti-lock brakes, lean angle sensitive anti-lock brakes, lean angle sensitive traction control. So again, a very modern but easy to operate updated electronics suite. Cruise control on this bike. And in addition to that, we've got ride modes, range, street, and sport. So at the touch of a button, there's a button right here on my right side that says mode. Touch the button and you can change the modes. It's that easy. So you can actually alter the aggressiveness, or you can mute the power delivery if you want. So we've got an awesome motorcycle. You've got the anti-lock brakes, semi-floating rotors front and rear. Now the air cleaner's been tapered. You got plenty of leg rooms. We've got floorboards on this as well. They respond really well to a nice set of slip-on mufflers, and the Harley Street Tuner as well also works out as a nice sort of lightweight stage 1 upgrade on this motorcycle. So come on down and see us at Harley-Davidson Danbury. We can take this Fat Boy for a ride. It's just beautiful. It's also been upgraded with LED turn signals front and rear, so up-to-date lighting, up-to-date electronics. We've got an awesome motorcycle, and it sells for $23,249, not including the factory freight and setup. Come on down to Harley-Davidson, and buyers with approved credit can be financed with as little as 10% down on this motorcycle. So thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your business, and see you at the dealership.